أنا وأسرتي. Me and my family. اسمي فاطمة. My name is Fatima. هذا بيتي. This is my house. بيتي أزرق. My house is blue. هي أمي. She is my mother. هو أبي. He is my father. هذه أختي. This is my sister. هي جميلة. She is beautiful. هذا أخي. This is my brother. هو لطيف. He is kind. ذلك بيتنا. That is our house. نحن هنا. We are here. نحن أسرتي. We are a family. هذا بيتي. This is my house. هذه أسرتي. This is my family. Let's review some vocabulary. I'm going to say the word in Arabic, and you tell me what it is in English. You ready? هذا. بيتي. هي. هو. أمي. اسمي. أنا. whom. نحن. هنا. هذه. ذلك. بيتنا. أبي. أخي. أختي. Now, let's practice creating sentences. I'm going to say a sentence in English using the words you've learned in this video. And you tell me what that sentence is in Arabic. My name is. Ismi. This is my house. هذا بيتي. She is my mother. هي أمي. He is my father. هو أبي. This is my sister. هذه أختي. This is my brother. هذا أخي. They are my family. هم أسرتي. We are here. نحن هنا. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep learning.